Looking for the best load binders? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 load binders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. ABN, Ratchet Load Chain Binder. Ratcheting action effectively tightens chains. Made of durable steel with a powder coating for corrosion resistance. Dual hooks. Heavy duty use. Heavy duty load binder with excellent strength for hauling. Hooks may be too large for some. At number 2. Elitexion, Ratchet Type Chain Load Binder 1/4 5/16. Made of strong steel. Easy to use and highly affordable. Effective at tying down loads. Lightweight use. An inexpensive ratchet load binder that is strong yet somewhat limited in its potential capacity. It is lighter duty than some other options. Check to make sure its smaller size would fit your particular needs. At number 1. Discount Ramps, Red Load Binder Ratchet, 1-pack. Made of heavy-duty forged steel. Paint is thick and protective. DOT has approved of this for commercial transportation. Very sturdy and easy to use. This load binder has lots of fans and few complaints. It costs more than some other single ratchet load binders. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.